Hello, everyone. My name is Sammy Lawrence, and I'm the manager at the Macoskey Center for Sustainability Education and Research at Slippery Rock University. For this year's Giving Day project, we are creating an Environmental Educator Fund. And what this will allow us to do is to employ or independently contract a graduate student or community member to be an environmental educator at the Macoskey Center. This will allow us to increase our offerings of sustainability education programming, workshops, and tours for the larger community as well as the SRU community. This summer, we are offering kids' day camps, but we'd like to expand this in future summers and expand the age groups that we are able to reach. This is a very capacity-centered and capacity-building project. We're hoping to build our people power through this project in order to build and be able to carry out this big vision for the Macoskey Center to inspire and create a more just and sustainable future. So please join us today in giving towards this project. In order to do so, you go to the academics page or just simply give now via the link. And the specific designation will be for the Macoskey Center Environmental Educator Fund. Thank you in advance for your support and your donations.